Welcome to this timesheet application tutorial. My name is Matt Maupin. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to complete, submit, and manage a monthly employee's timesheet. In a separate video tutorial, I demonstrated how to log into the timesheet application and manage the timesheet dashboard view. Here you can select the Add Timesheet button. This button may appear in other views elsewhere in the application and can likewise be used to begin a new timesheet. This takes us to the My Timesheet view you see here. You may notice that it is based on the paper timesheets you may be used to. Our intent is to keep the same format and content as before, yet make the overall timesheet process faster, easier, and remotely accessible. The application automatically selects the appropriate timesheet form for your particular HR position. So as long as your HR information is correctly entered and displayed in the system, you should be automatically directed to the correct timesheet version. In this tutorial, we are covering how to complete and submit a timesheet for a monthly employee. Because the system already has your employee and position information, you'll see that the application automatically enters this into your timesheet. If for some reason your information is not accurate or complete as listed in these fields here, be sure to let your supervisor know so they can update your information in the system. After you have assigned a time frame to the timesheet, you can import your personal and holiday leave. You may also manually enter dates and hours directly into the timesheet. Most people should not need to do this most of the time, but this allows you the option to manually override or add to any approved leave requests or holidays that the system has automatically imported. Here you may enter in comments for your supervisors and human resources personnel to read. You may use this field to explain an unusual or otherwise particularly notable circumstance concerning your timesheet. Now you should review your timesheet for accuracy. Once you are satisfied that all the information is correct, select the Save as Draft button. At this point, you have not yet submitted your timesheet to your supervisor. This brings us to the View Timesheet view. Here you can verify one last time that the information is correct. You can also add a note to the system that your supervisors can see. These notes are not the same as the comments section on the timesheet. Unlike the comments section, these notes will not be visible on the timesheet itself. To add a note, select the Add Note button here, then type in your note. When you have finished entering your note, select the Post Note button here. After you have verified that all your timesheet information is correct, you can submit your timesheet by selecting the Submit button here. Once you submit a timesheet, you may no longer modify it unless your supervisor returns it to you. This takes you to the My Timesheets view. Please note the new alert here and the status here, which verifies that you have successfully submitted your timesheet. You may later return to this view to check the status of your timesheet as it proceeds through the review and approval process, or to modify it if your supervisor returns it to you for correction. Congratulations! You now know how to complete, submit, and manage your monthly employee timesheet in the Timesheet application. We at CCEIT thank you for using the Timesheet application and for viewing this tutorial.